I've never seen it like this before, ever. That's where I usually cross, right there. I'm gonna go down there real quick just to show y'all. Wow, that's wild. Whoa. Yeah, I'm definitely going down there. Morning, y'all. It is that time again. It is time to run. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. It's time to hit those trails and have some fun. Looking forward to it too, y'all. Today is going to be a full marathon on the trails. However, I'm going to be running a ultra pace. Generally speaking, my marathon pace is probably about like 10:33, somewhere around there. But ultras, you don't necessarily have to run it that fast. So I'm shooting for mid 11s as a base, excuse me, as a pace. So that's what we're gonna aim for. I'm gonna take my time, just have fun out here. This is just training. I don't need to go all out, and it's still a marathon, so it's still gonna be some work, man. It's still gonna be some work. I'm gonna be breaking this up into 2 segments, using my car as a base camp. Really been liking that. I got all the stuff that I need to switch out gear with on the second part of the run. First part's gonna be 14 miles. Second part will be 12 miles. That'll equal 26. Marathon is 26.2, I believe. Something like that. I always forget. Yeah, man. I'm looking forward to it. Let's get out there and let's have some fun. Let's get it. Let's go. All right, y'all. Let the adventure begin. Should be a fun one too. Gotta be a long one, but it's gonna be a fun one. Ugh. I can't believe this temperature change, man. It's crazy. It is gonna be in the mid 70s later, but that'll be later. Oh man, this pack is heavy for some reason. All right, y'all. Bam. Sounds like there's somebody having a party behind me, honestly. I forgot to mention it is 2:54 in the morning, so people are still partying apparently. I'm about to have a party of my own on the trails though. You want to come for the party? Cool. Let's have a fun party. Come on, y'all, let's go. I can't see anything right now, y'all. I'm surrounded by super dense fog. I can't see nothing. Check it out. It's because of that big temperature drop. I'm just gonna have to trust my feet and my knowledge of the trails, honestly. Because I can't even see where this trail actually bends, because there's a turn right here. But because the fog is so dense, It's just like a white wall in front of me, but I know it turns, so I'll just go with the flow. All right, let's go with the flow. Well, I might have to switch out my route, y'all. I just passed the first spillway and it looks completely flooded out. And I kind of figured that might happen because once I could actually see the river, man, that thing was raging, and it looked really high. As soon as I saw it, I had to stop, and I was like, I had to assess, and I was like, ooh, that is not looking very promising to cross over the big spillway where I'm heading right now. Hopefully I'm wrong, but I'm probably not, honestly. That river is just raging. I don't know why, honestly. It rained, but that was like 2 or 3 days ago. Holy crap, yeah, this whole, I don't think the camera's gonna pick it up. Nah, it might. This whole area is completely flooded. Yeah. What is that? I don't know what that was. There's a big old bright light is shining over there, right where I'm going. Whatever. Anyway, like I was saying, that river is raging. It's super high, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to cross over the spillway like I would like to. So I'm honestly gonna have to switch up my route probably, because there's no real way to get on the other side of the river without passing over that spillway. But I'll assess the damage when I get over there. Hopefully I'm just wrong. Yeah. Not sure if you can see that, but that light that I was just showing, that is attached to a very active bridge that I am gonna have to cross. I'm gonna have to run across this bridge. And I'm gonna be honest, I don't know if there's a sidewalk, but that is gonna be the only way that I'm gonna be able to cross this. Because I'm looking at the Trinity right now. That thing is so high right now, and it is going so fast. I can just tell that there's gonna be no way for me to get across that spillway. There's just not. So I'm gonna have to run across this bridge. Hold on. Does it have a sidewalk? Dude, I would love it if there's a sidewalk. I see a rail. So there might be a sidewalk. A car, what I don't want to see. Oh, hold up. There's a sidewalk. Sweet. Okay. I'm just gonna stick on this side. gonna turn my bright light on. Hold on. Sweet. Yes. Let's go. Come on. There's a car coming. I am so glad there's a sidewalk. That car was going pretty quick. Sweet, dude. I am so happy. Okay, how do I snake down? Okay. Oh, here we go. Let's go this way. Just passing through. Sometimes there's a homeless person that lives under here. Sweet. Why am I running on concrete? Don't be dumb. Come on. Be smart. Right on, man. I'm so happy now. I didn't know how I was gonna get across that thing. There's about a mile until I get to my normal crossover, and I'll show you all the spilling when I get over there. It should be like super flooded. But let me get there. Oh man, is this a concrete path only? No! Wait, no, wait. Cool. Alright, I got gravel. I can work. Let's go. This place is completely flooded. I'm trying to show you all the fish. Pretty sure y'all saw that. Alright, let's get back at it. Wow. Oh, ow. Oh, ow! Oh no! I'm getting bit by fire ants. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, I am. Hold on. Oh my god, they're all over my feet. Uh-oh. Ah! Crap. Did I get them all? Crap. Ow. Oh man, my watch is timing out now. Oh my gosh. They're still on me. Crap. How did that even happen? Did I get them all? No. Wasn't expecting that. That's for sure. Hold on. Give me a sec, y'all. I got a lot going on. Oh my gosh. My bad, y'all. There were so many fire ants on me. As soon as I got off here, I literally had to go inside my shoes and get them all off of me. I tried to just run them off because I thought they would just fall off. Not the case at all. They just got angry My ankles are all bit up. That sucks. I don't even know how that happened. I was literally on the path. No idea. All I know is that sucked. Like, for real. Yeah. I can't see anything over here, y'all. It is so dense with fog. I mean, look at this. I'm surrounded by it too. Wow, that's been an interesting run, man. I wasn't expecting this, and I was scanning this area while I was on the other side. I could kind of tell it was a little foggy, but nothing like this. But I'll probably be on this trail. What is this? This is like a mile and a half. Maybe a little more, maybe a little less. So I won't be out here too terribly long. But man, I'm gonna have to stay pretty laser focused, because it's looking even denser in front of me right now. Really having to take my time right now. Looks like the city was out here while it was flooded and made about a 2-inch groove on the trail, so I'm really having to kind of stay in between it, because honestly, one wrong step and I could, oh wow, really roll my ankle back here because of that. I'm on the back trail. Man, it is really bad over here. Might have to walk this, honestly. Let me face this camera this way, y'all. All right, cool. I'm up on top now, so I don't have to worry about those grooves anymore. So what I was saying was I'm on the back entrance to the hidden waterfall. Not sure if it'll be flooded over here. It actually doesn't look like it, but I won't know for sure till I get there. But it doesn't look too bad. Look. I might get lucky. Because like I said, it hasn't rained in like 2 days. Whew, that's really bad. Oh wow, that's a tractor. I can't really run on this right now. Oh crap, it is flooded. But I got a little space right here. I'm gonna have to hug the fence just a little. It's only about an inch, not an inch, a foot wide. See it? Just take my time. Ooh, ooh boy. Ooh, that is kind of, wow, that's thick though. It's wanting to take my shoes. Ooh. Okay. I'm Coming out. Almost. Holy crap. Oh. Fence got my jacket. Almost ripped it. That was crazy. This thing was like sucking my shoes off. Let's get to the hidden waterfall. Come on. Oh man. Alright, y'all. I'm at the hidden waterfall. I'm not gonna stick around too long, honestly. It's so dark out here, I couldn't show y'all anything anyway. But it's going good, man. I wish I could show y'all the hidden waterfall. But since I'm doing this marathon, I honestly just don't want to stop and start that. I don't want to stop for a long time and then start again. And like I said earlier, it is so dark over here, I can't even see it with my light on this side, so I think showing you would be kind of challenging. Alright, y'all. Give me a sec and I'll pick this back up. Alrighty, yeah. Took a quick little breather. Time to get back at it now. Time to get back at it. Gotta refuel really quick. If I can find my stuff. Get a little bucked up in me. And I'll eat this on the way too. Actually getting kind of hungry. Let's back up. Come down. Grab my jacket. Kind of hard to see right now. And the shirt is all drenched. I was expecting that. I don't need anything else. Alright. Alright. Let me get this in there. Cheers. Give me one sec. I'm gonna open this while I have a trash can. Don't litter. Phone. Shut. Make sure I got everything else. Down. Go. Alright. And we are off. At mile 8:75. Got a whole bunch of rocks in my shoes somehow. Ooh, this bridge is slippery. See all that moisture on there? Alright, so game plan. From here, just gotta get back to the car. I'll switch out all my equipment, recharge some stuff, and then I'll run back to the hidden waterfall where I just was, because that's a 6-mile stretch, and then I'll just turn around and then run back, and that'll be 12, and then that'll be Costa Marathon. It's 26.2, I think. 26.2, yeah. So I'll just make up the 0.2 whatever. It's not that big of an issue. But let me get off of this concrete this concrete path, and get to a dirt trail, and then I'll start working, man. See y'all on the trails. Well, I got a problem here. This is all flooded. This wasn't flooded when I ran by it the first time. And now this path is flooded and I gotta get across this. How am I gonna do this? Is it super deep? Yeah. Crap, that's like 2 inches of water right there. Ah, man, am I gonna have to get muddy? Crap. I wasn't expecting this. I really don't want to get my feet that wet. I'm gonna have to go up and around. Yeah, I'm gonna backtrack. Okay. Can I go that way? No. I'm gonna have to go to this baseball field. Well, not baseball field, the baseball parking lot. And then there's a trailhead entrance over there. That's crazy, man. I wasn't expecting that. That path was not flooded on the way out. I'm gonna have to run that again, this way again, twice. Cause I gotta go back that way. Oh, my towel. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to just run around a baseball field, cut through the parking lot, and then jump back on the trail. We're going this way right now. It's crazy, I just passed a runner. He must have started right here. Oh, what was that? Let me see if I can remember how to do this. It's been a while. Where is it? Okay, it should be right there, this way. I think. Definitely wasn't expecting this. They might have opened up the dam, to be honest with you, to let all that water out, but that's the only explanation I can come up with. Uh-oh, hold on. Uh-oh, where's the entrance? Crap. Might have to get on the road. How do I do this? Definitely don't want to be doing this. Hope I can find a better way to get around on the way back. Where is that entrance? There it is. Cool. Okay. I knew it was around here somewhere. That was crazy, dude. Alright. I know you can't see it, but in that fog is the home stretch. Let me get there and I'll pick this back up. See you there. Pretty foggy, right? Yeah. Just hit mile 14, yeah? So let me get to the car and recharge some equipment, and then recharge myself, then get back out here and knock out that 12. Now that the sun is up, I can actually show y'all what I've been running in, excuse me. I can show you how high the river really is. And probably by the time I get back on the trail, that fog will be gone probably. I'm fine with that. It's going really good, honestly. Really good. I'm not gonna spend too much time in the car, honestly. I just need to recharge a little bit of equipment. But let me get there, y'all, and we'll pick this back up. Alrighty, time to get back at it. So I just changed actually all of my gear out, charged stuff. I actually changed myself. I was super drenched, and since I've been running through water and everything, man, my socks were so incredibly wet. But luckily I had an extra pair in the car. Should always bring all your equipment for a long runs, because you never know what's gonna happen out there. So I actually put on shorts. I had pants on, but now that sun's coming up, I know I'm gonna start warming up, but I am still gonna throw my jacket on because it is still 56, but always gotta account for the Trinity, so it's probably like 54. So still a little bit chilly, but not crazy. Let me grab my jacket, hold on. Wish I had an extra running jacket, honestly, because this thing's kind of wet, but it's all good. Oh, actually, it's not that bad. No, it's not too bad. Just got 12 miles, man. Just gotta hit the hidden waterfall, turn around, and make my way back. That's it. I am gonna have to get around that that flooded trail again. Not sure what I'm going to do with that. If I'm going to have to go through the baseball parking lot again, or find another way. But if I go searching for another way around, that might actually take me too much time, and I'm actually kind of in a time constraint for today. I got some physio at noon today, sports massage at noon, so I can get my body back in working order. Considering I have an ultra to run next Sunday, I knew that my body was going to be beat out from today's run, so I wanted to go into the ultra relatively fresh, and that's gonna help me out a lot. What was that? I thought I heard a car. Yeah, I wanted to go into that relatively fresh. Ooh. And I just got to get through that ultra next week, and then I only got a half marathon the next week, and then the race. So really gotta take care of that physio, so help my body tremendously. I'll probably do another session the week before, no, the week of the races as well, just to get my body all loosened up and primed so I can go into it injury free, so I can just work on the trails and be at my my peak during the race itself. That is the plan, at least. But let me get up this hill right here, and we'll start running now. We will start running. All right. See y'all on the trails. Oh, we meet again, baseball field. Oh, that's extra high. Oh, my legs are just extra sore. Let's go with that one. All right. Just gotta make my way around this, and it'll drop me back to the trail. Oh, whoa, that was a big drop right there. Wow. Oh, I just realized they're gonna be playing baseball probably on the way, when I'm on the way back. This parking lot might be completely full when I'm running back, but it's no big deal, man. It's just cars. I'm not doing anything. I might just have to go through there and get back on the road quicker, that's all. But all right. We are back on the trails. Ooh, this is really bad rocks. I'm gonna walk. We are back on the trails. Whew. All right. Let's go. Trinity is so high right now. I've never seen it this high before. This is crazy, man. I had no idea why it's this high. This is why all those trails are just so flooded, because the river is just raging. I mean, look at that. All right. Let's keep at it. Let's keep at it. Can't let this river stop me. Finally down by the levee so I can show y'all how high the Trinity is. I'm actually at mile 19. That sun might have been messing it up. I'm actually at mile 19. I'm about to be at the flooded spillway. I'll take a little bit of time and go down and show y'all. I'm at 1930. So I'll go down a little bit, spend a little time, and actually give y'all a good overview of how really high that Trinity is, because I'm up on top of the levee, so it's not really doing it justice, but I can see the bridge where the spillway is right now, so I'm almost there. When I get there, I'll show ya. Thing is just raging. That's crazy, man. I've never seen it like this before, ever. That's where I usually cross, right there. I'm gonna go down there real quick just to show y'all. Wow, that's wild. Whoa. Yeah, I'm definitely going down there. I'm going down there. That's crazy, dude. I'm on concrete, so I'm walking. And I'm at my 1970, so whatever. Dang, that is crazy. That is insane, y'all. Wow. This lady right here. It's pretty crazy. I gotta talk to this lady really quick. And it's like that everywhere. Yeah, it's even
have you ever seen this?
not like that. Not like that.
Here for years.
Yeah. My bad, Joe. I wasn't expecting that lady to want to talk to me. Super, super nice lady. She ended up actually talking to me for a good little while. I just didn't want to throw the camera in her face. Even though she did see me have it in my hand. I don't want to be that guy. Be like, hey, can I get an interview? It's like, no, man. Put that thing down. Just hit mile 20. But I'm gonna run to, you know, I'll stop now. Yeah. Just got 6.2 miles. Nothing crazy. But yeah, man, I'm just gonna get back now. But that river, crazy, man, crazy. That's what the lady that stopped me, Liam, that's her name. She asked me, she was like, have you seen it like this before? And I was like, I have never seen it like this before, and I haven't. I've seen it high, the river high, but nothing like that. That thing is crazy, man. Like crazy. But all right, man. 6 more miles. That's it. Let's knock this bad boy out. Come on, y'all. Alrighty, I am at mile 21:78. Took my jacket off. I was just getting way too hot. Way too hot. So just wrapped it around my waist. Don't got much left, man. Not much left at all. Just gotta focus on getting back. I keep forgetting about that flooded trail. It really is throwing a monkey wrench into all my plans, but I had to do nothing about it. All right, Sha, let's keep on working. This is the first spillway. See how flooded it is? That hump right there, that hump is actually, that's the way to get across. But man, there is no possible way to cross that bad boy. Here's the other part right there. That's another way to cross, but there is just no possible way. That river is raging. There's the home stretch. Just hit mile 24. It's got what, 2.2 something miles? We almost there, baby. We almost there. Just gotta get back on top of this levee and empty this gas tank. Last hill. Let's get it. We in the home stretch, baby. Let's finish strong. All right, y'all. Just finished up. All right, let's go over these numbers really quick, y'all. So I ended up finishing the marathon in 5 hours and 1 minute with an average pace of 11:29. Those numbers are pretty high, but you gotta remember, my game plan was to run a marathon with a ultra pace, and I said upper 11 to 11:30. So 11:29, that's right where I was planning on. So I stuck to the game plan, even with all of the side quests that I had to do to find alternative routes to get away from the flooded trails and everything. So that did slow me down, but those numbers, I'm cool with them. So if this was an ultra, that would be very acceptable. 11:29, man, that's right where I want to be. So great training session, man. I can't complain. It was definitely an adventure, man. It was insane out there. I've never seen the Trinity like that before. So it was an amazing experience. I hope you enjoyed the journey with me this morning, y'all. Hope you like, comment, tell all your friends about me, y'all. I'm that crazy runner. I'll see y'all on the next run.